A quick one, guys. Here, I'll detail how to fix iPhone 12 Pro Max minimum volume too loud. So, if you set your iPhone 12 Pro Max minimum volume to the barest minimum, and then you discover that this is too very loud for you, that you can accommodate, most especially if you're having your nap, and now you want to fix it or further reduce the minimum volume because it is too loud, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, when your ringtone or incoming call ringtone is too loud on your iPhone 12, all you just need to do is use the volume up button or volume down button to increase the ringer, or use the volume down button to reduce the volume. However, if after you are still on the minimum volume, you discover that the minimum volume is still too loud on your iPhone, this is what you basically need to do. Go to your iPhone settings, and first, make sure you check for available updates by going to General, click on Software Updates, and check for the latest update possible. So if there is an update available for you, make sure you download and install this update. In this case, I am running latest iOS 18.3 updates, which is the beta version. So if you have a pending update, just make sure you download and update it. Now, the next thing you want to do, once you've updated your iPhone to the latest version, just scroll down, locate Sounds and Haptics, and click on that. Then once you click on Sounds and Haptics, want to scroll down the page, then you're going to see a new feature added under built-in speaker. Then click on volume limit. Once you selected volume limit, you want to see whether you turn on limit maximum volume. So if this is enabled, you may want to disable this or enable it. So let's say the volume is way too low and it's still loud. Then what you need to do is come here, turn on limit maximum volume, and then drag this to 20%. That will be your minimum volume level. So if you have an incoming call and you choose to reduce your iPhone volume, then what you're going to see is it's going to reduce to the barest minimum until you get to 20%, like you see here. So if the minimum is set to maybe around 50, then that is what the minimum is going to be, even if you use the ringer or volume button to reduce the volume. Then just ensure you drag this downward, and when next you have an incoming call on your iPhone, the volume limit is going to make sure that your minimum volume isn't too loud any longer. That's basically the only way you can use to fix minimum volume too loud. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.